In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell services on Squarespace. Let's get you from a blank dashboard to a polished, bookable service. First, head to your Squarespace account dashboard. This is your control center. Once you're in, click Dashboard to see all of your sites and tools in one place. Find the site you want to work on and click Go to Website. That opens the site's editor where we'll do the actual setup. On the left-hand menu, Open Products and Services. This is where Squarespace organizes anything you sell, whether it's physical goods, digital items, or services. Click Products to enter your commerce area, then choose Services. This puts you in the right place to add a service offering with pricing, images, and checkout details. Click Add Service to start a fresh listing. You'll see a new service item editor. Click the product name field and type Exclusive Fine Dining. Use a clear, descriptive title that makes sense to your audience. You can always refine it later. Next, click the description field and enter Join Us. Keep in mind this text appears on your service page, so expand it as you go with value-driven details like what's included, who it's for, and how long it takes. Now scroll to the button label, click Button Text, and change it to Fine Dining. Short, action-oriented button text helps with conversions. Next, set up your intake. Click Create New Form. This attaches a form to your service so you can collect details you need at checkout, things like preferred dates, special requests, or contact info. You can customize the form fields to match your workflow. Add visuals to make the page compelling. Click Add Images and upload photos that represent your service experience. High-quality imagery builds trust and helps people visualize what they're buying. Now let's price it. Click Price and enter $7,500. Enter just the number. Squarespace will format it with your store currency. If you're running a promotion, toggle on sale, then click Sale Price and type $4,999. Showing both the full price and sale price can highlight the value and urgency of your offer. Even though this is a service, inventory can still matter. Click Stock. If your service has unlimited capacity, choose Unlimited Stock and you're done. If you limit bookings or spots per period, click Stock again and enter 20 to cap availability. This helps prevent overbooking and creates scarcity when appropriate. For internal tracking, click SKU. Add a simple code structure that makes sense for you, like a short abbreviation of the service and a number. Then click Variants. If you offer options, like different durations, party sizes, or add-ons, this is where you'll manage them. Even if you don't add variants yet, it's worth knowing the feature is here. Taxes come next. Click Set up Automated Tax. This takes you to Squarespace's tax settings where you can enable automatic calculations based on your region. It saves time and helps keep you compliant. When you're ready to think about promotion, click Marketing. Here you'll find tools for discounts, email campaigns, and SEO settings. We'll return to our service item by clicking your service title at the top of the editor to make sure the details look right. Time to save your work. Click Save to commit your changes. When you're confident the listing is ready for customers, click Publish to make it live on your site. Want to keep polishing without showing it publicly yet? Click Save as hidden to keep the service off your storefront while you finalize copy, images, or pricing. Planning ahead for a launch? Click Schedule to choose the exact date and time this service goes live automatically. And that's it. You've added a professional service with a clear title and description, custom button text, a form for client details, compelling images, correct pricing with a sale option, thoughtful stock controls, internal tracking, and the right tax and marketing touchpoints, then saved, published, or scheduled it on your terms.